isang maligayang pagdating po sa Maximilian Siquar Resort and Dance Place. I know that you are all excited to witness the birthday celebrant for today's celebration. It was nice seeing you all gathered here. Alam kong magkakakilala, magkakatrabaho, and finally, this is the best time for you to mingle and socialize for the age to perfection. It's Ricardo's 75th birthday party. But before anything else, let me introduce myself. Ako po ang magiging birthday host for today's celebration. Your charming host, Russell Hernandez Ramirez. And at this part, bago natin ma-meet ang ating celebrant or ang ating star of the night or of the day, we will be meeting the equally beautiful, handsome na mga anak at apo ng ating celebrant. As I call your names, please show us your dancing impromptu energetic entrance at samahan niyo po ako dito sa unahan. Sa lahat ng mga nakakakilala sa aking babanggitin, kamag-anak, kaibigan, palakpakan niyo kung sila ang bet na bet niyong anak, in-laws at apo. Parman!
Thank you for the wisdom, experiences, and love you have shared with us over the years. We pray that you grant him many more years of health, happiness, and peace. Bless everyone here celebrating with us today, and may our time together be filled with love and love.
We have a 7, what do we call this? Parang lucky gift na ipapamigay. Since we're celebrating 75th birthday, a lucky 7 gifts will be given sa lahat. Sa dami ng iyong bisita, Tatay Ricardo, 7 lang ang bibigyan namin ng espesyal na regalo. So all you need to do, guys, is to answer the question. Ilang magkakapatid sina Tatay Rick? Kasi di ba, mauna lang po si Mang Ha. Pili po kasi si Mang Rick,